Global financial markets entered June 2026 facing a complicated mix of inflation concerns, geopolitical uncertainty, and continued enthusiasm around artificial intelligence. Investors began the months trying to reconcile two seemingly contradictory realities. Economic growth remains relatively resilient in many major economies, yet inflation pressures have strengthened again, largely because of higher energy prices and ongoing tensions in the Middle East. As a result, central banks that had previously been expected to move toward lower interest rates are now taking a much lower and more cautious approach. In the United States, the biggest financial story is the change in outlook for monetary policy under new Federal Reserve Chair Kevin Warsh. Recent economic data suggests that inflation remains significantly above the Fed's long-term target, with rising energy costs affecting everything from transportation and manufacturing to groceries and consumer goods. The International Monetary Fund has urged policy makers to remain cautious and avoid easing monetary policy too quickly. Markets are increasingly debating whether interest rates may need to stay higher for longer, and some analysts even see the possibility of further rate increases later this year if inflation continues to accelerate. The US economy itself presents a mixed picture. On one hand, investment related to artificial intelligence continues to support growth, particularly in technology infrastructure, semiconductor manufacturing, and data centers. Corporate spending on AI remains strong and has helped maintain optimism among investors. On the other hand, consumers are showing signs of strain as higher prices reduce purchasing power. Reports indicate increased reliance on credit cards and weaker retail activity in some regions. The combination of slowing consumer demand and persistent inflation has revived concerns about a possibly stagflation stagflation-like environment, a situation in which economic growth slows while prices continue rising. Stock markets have remained surprisingly resilient despite these challenges. The S the JP Morgan 50 recently reached new highs, driven largely by enthusiasm surrounding artificial intelligence and semiconductor companies. However, market strategists warn that gains have become concentrated in a relatively small number of technology firms. Recent declines in some high-profile chip stocks demonstrated how sensitive investors have become to earnings expectations. Even mirror disappointments can trigger sharp market reactions because valuations have already risen substantially. Analysts increasingly caution that volatility may return if economic conditions worsen or if investors begin reassessing growth expectations. Energy markets remain one of the most important drivers of global financial conditions. Oil prices have stayed elevated because of supply concerns and ongoing geopolitical tensions. Higher energy costs are feeding into inflation across many economies, making the job of central banks more difficult. Several market observers have compared current conditions to historical periods when energy shock contributed to rising inflation and slower growth. While financial markets have so far remained relatively calm, some research firms argue that investors may be underestimating the long-term economic effects of sustained high oil prices. In Europe, policymakers face similar challenges. Inflation remains above target, and officials at the European Central Bank have signaled increasing concern that higher energy costs could spread through the broader economy. Market participants expect further tightening measures as policymakers attempt to prevent temporary price shocks from becoming entrenched inflation. At the same time, economic growth across the euro area remains fragile, creating a difficult balancing act between controlling inflation and supporting economic activity. Several ECB officials have indicated that rate increases may be necessary despite weaker growth prospects. European banking regulation has also become a significant topic for investors. The European Commission announced plans to soften certain capital requirements for banks' trading operations, aiming to maintain competitiveness with American financial institutions. European officials argue that regulatory differences have created disadvantages for banks operating within the European Union. The proposed changes are intended to provide temporary relief while broader international banking standards continue to evolve. Financial institutions became the move, although regulators insist that overall financial stability protections will remain intact. Bond markets have become increasingly important as investors reassess inflation and interest rate expectations. Yields on government bonds have risen in many countries, reflecting concerns that central banks may need to maintain restrictive policy longer than previously anticipated. Higher bond yields increase borrowing costs for governments, corporations, and households, which can eventually slow economic activity. At the same time, rising yields make fixed income investments more attractive relative to equities, creating potential competition for investor capital. Market strategists note that bond markets are increasingly signaling caution, even as stock markets remain optimistic. Currency markets have also been affected by shifting monetary policy expectations. The US dollar remains relatively strong because investors believe American interest rates could stay elevated for an extended period. Other central banks face pressure to maintain tighter policies as well, partly to prevent excessive currency weakness that could worsen important inflation. This interconnected dynamic illustrates how decision-making by major central banks can influence financial conditions across the global economy. Cryptocurrency markets have experienced a more difficult period. Bitcoin and several other digital assets have declined from recent highs as investors respond to tighter financial conditions and growing uncertainty about future interest rate policy. Historically, cryptocurrencies have tended to perform better when liquidity is abundant and borrowing costs are low. The prospect of prolonged higher interest rates has therefore created headwinds for the sector. While enthusiasm for digital assets remains significant among some investors, recent market performance reflects broader caution across risk-sensitive investments. Looking ahead, financial markets are likely to maintain focus on three major themes throughout the coming months. First, inflation data will determine whether central banks can eventually begin easing policy or whether further tightening becomes necessary. Second, energy prices and geopolitical developments will continue influencing both inflation and economic growth expectations. Third, the sustainability of the AI-driven investment boom will be closely watched as investors evaluate whether current valuations can be justified by future earning growth. Together, these factors will shape market sentiment and investment performance across stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities during the remainder of 2026.